Welcome to Tech Dream Gear, the channel where we explore the innovations shaping a sustainable future. In today's episode, we're unveiling an incredible breakthrough: wood from crops. Discover the next big thing in sustainability. Imagine transforming agricultural residues into high-quality wood alternatives that are eco-friendly, cost-effective, and versatile. Stick with us as we dive deep into this revolutionary technology that's set to redefine the materials industry. Why create wood from crops? Addressing global challenges. 1. Deforestation. Traditional wood harvesting is a major driver of habitat loss and climate change. 2. Agricultural waste. Millions of tons of crop residues are discarded or burned annually, contributing to pollution. 3. Growing demand. As the global population grows, the need for sustainable materials increases. 4. Eco-conscious consumers. People are seeking greener alternatives to traditional products. Benefits of crop-based wood. Environmental impact. Reduces deforestation and greenhouse gas emissions. Economic opportunities. Adds value to agricultural byproducts. Versatility. Suitable for furniture, construction, and packaging applications. How agricultural waste becomes wood. 1. Material collection and preparation. Sources of agricultural waste: rice, husks, wheat straw, corn stalks, sugarcane bagasse, coconut shells. Key steps: collection. Gather residues from farms and processing facilities. Sorting. Remove impurities and separate materials based on type. Storage. Maintain proper conditions to preserve quality. 2. Processing agricultural waste, machinery and techniques. Treaders. Reduce materials to smaller, manageable sizes. Grinders. Pulverize residues into fine particles. Mixers. Combine agricultural fibers with adhesives to form composites. Benefits. Ensures uniformity in the final product. Prepares raw materials for compression and molding. Reduces waste and maximizes resource utilization. 3. Shaping and forming techniques. Hot pressing. Bonds fibers under heat and pressure to create solid panels. Extrusion. Shapes materials into planks, boards, or custom designs. 3D printing. Uses biocomposites to craft intricate designs and prototypes. Benefits. Produces strong and durable materials. Customizable for various applications. Enhances efficiency in large-scale production. Finishing touches, key processes, sanding. Smoothens surfaces for a polished appearance. Coating. Applies protective layers for durability and aesthetics. Texturing. Mimics the look and feel of natural wood. Benefits. Improves product longevity. Enhances visual and tactile appeal. Provides resistance to moisture, insects, and wear. Applications of crop-based wood. Furniture. Chairs, tables, and cabinets made from rice husk boards. Unique designs crafted from coconut shell composites. Benefits: stylish and sustainable. Affordable and durable for everyday use. 2. Construction. Flooring and wall panels from sugarcane bagasse boards. Insulation boards using wheat straw composites. Benefits: lightweight yet strong materials. Improved thermal and acoustic insulation properties. 3. Packaging. Biodegradable trays and containers from corn stalks. Molded packaging solutions for fragile items. Benefits: reduces reliance on plastic. Meets growing demand for sustainable packaging. Advantages of using wood from crops. 1. Environmental sustainability. Reduces logging and conserves forests. Promotes upcycling of agricultural residues. 2. Cost effectiveness. Utilizes inexpensive raw materials. Lowers production costs compared to traditional wood. 3. Innovation opportunities. Encourages creative uses in various industries. Supports research and development in biomaterials. 4. Circular economy. Integrates farming and manufacturing in a sustainable loop. Reduces waste and boosts resource efficiency. Challenges and solutions. Common barriers. High initial costs. O. Advanced machinery requires significant investment. 2. Technical expertise. O. Skilled labor is needed to operate and maintain equipment. 3. Consumer awareness. O. Educating people on the benefits of crop-based wood is crucial. Solutions, subsidies, and incentives. O. Governments can support businesses adopting sustainable practices. Training programs. O. Upskill workers to handle new technologies. Marketing campaigns. Highlight the eco-friendly and economic benefits of these materials. Future trends in sustainable wood processing. AI and automation. Enhances efficiency and precision in material processing. 2. Renewable energy integration. Uses solar or wind power to reduce operational costs. 3. Bio-based adhesives. Replaces synthetic resins with natural, eco-friendly alternatives. Global expansion. Increases adoption in regions with abundant agricultural residues. Tips for businesses entering the market. 1. Research local resources. O. Identify readily available agricultural byproducts. 2. Invest in quality machinery. O. Ensure equipment is versatile and energy efficient. 3. Collaborate with farmers. O. Build partnerships for consistent raw material supply. 4. Focus on branding. O. Market the environmental and economic advantages of your products. Wood from crops is more than a concept. It's the future of sustainable materials. By transforming agricultural waste into high-value products, we can reduce environmental impact and create a greener world. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Dream Gear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates on innovative technologies. What excites you most about this new wave of sustainability? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep dreaming and gearing up for a smarter tomorrow.